You must have watched these kinds of orange cat videos all over social media. If you've ever wondered how to create these viral videos, you're in the right place. These videos aren't just for TikTok, they're also perfect for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, giving you more chances to grow your views and earn money through ad revenue. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from generating images to animating them and compiling the final video. Let's dive in.
Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel.
Step 1. Generate image prompts. In Step 1, to generate image prompts, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt here, the prompts which I have given in the description below. To make a good prompts can take a lot of time, that's why I've prepared a ready-made prompt to save you the trouble and help you get started right away. Once you have your image prompts, it's time to generate the images. Step 2. Generate image. To generate images, go to the Piclumen AI website, click Generate for Free button. If you are the first time to use this website, it will require you to sign in first. After you sign in, here in the left panel, click on the Create button and choose a model. Select Flux Schnell for the best result. Now choose the aspect ratio of 9:16. Paste the prompt in the prompt box you just generated by AI, and hit Submit. As you can see, it has generated the image according to our prompt. If you like the style of this image, click on it and copy its seed number. Now go to Advanced Settings, click on Fixed, and paste the seed number in this box. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, and repeat the process until you generate 6 images. When your images are ready, download them. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Image to video. In this third step, we will convert our images into engaging videos with Edimakor, which is an excellent choice among the image to video generators available in the market. After clicking on the link given in the description, download and install this software from the Edimakor website. Open Edimakor and click New Project button. Now, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Here in the left panel, we will click on the AI video button and the image to video option will appear in front of us. As you can see, here are some popular AI video templates for you to use. You can make videos like old photos come to life, fashion female posing, model photography, hug your love, hug your pet, kiss your love, AI hand heart, kung fu fighting, etc. But here we will choose custom mode and upload our image. After the first image is uploaded, paste the same first prompt which we generated from ChatGPT. Now choose the duration of this video clip between 5 and 10 seconds, and then click Generate button to start the processing. In a short while, our orange cat image will be converted into a video clip. As you can see, the result is amazing. Repeat these steps until all of our images are converted into video clips. Step 4. Editing. In this fourth step, we will combine all our clips to create a full video. Now, drag all the video clips to the timeline. Then arrange these clips properly. Now, add some transition, if we needed. Finally, go to the music library, add some background music and sound effects to it. That's it. Now, to save this video, click on Export button. This is the final result. Finally, I will say, that's the easiest way to create orange cat videos. By using Hitpour Edimakor, along with a bit of creativity, you can make your own viral content by publishing on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels to earn millions of views. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun and creative videos.